In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use sliders. We can use sliders for moving object, to fill any object or change the value of any object. Now let's create a new window. I'll name it as a slider. Click on OK. Now we have to insert the slider in this window. So go to the symbols, go to the sliders, then select vertical slider. Then for the properties of the sliders, double click on it. Give the tag name, it's the most important. I'll give that is slider 1, that is S1. Here you can select the minimum and maximum range for the sliders, and divisions, that is major divisions and minor divisions on the slider. Also you can change the text color, then click on OK. Now for moving the object, we have to draw an object on this window. So I select the ellipse. Now this is the object. Now what you have to do, we have to move that object with the use of the slider. So we have to give the same tag or the same expression to this object which is given to the slider. So double click on that object. Now here the so many options are come. So here there is option that is sliders. Now there are the two options, vertical and horizontal. Now if we want to move the object horizontally, then click on the horizontal sliders. Now here we move the object horizontally, then you click on the horizontal. Here that is tag name, that is a S1. Now here the value for that horizontal moving direction. At the left end we have to move 0, and the right end we have to move up to 100. And horizontal movement, what is the movement to the left and to the right from the center point of the object. Now we set it as a 200 and 200. To the left there is a slider, so we set 0, and here we set 1000. Then click on OK. Then click OK. Now I'll test it. Go to the runtime. Now as you move the slider, the object moves horizontally. Now next, we'll look how to fill the object by using the sliders. Then double click on the same object. When we try to run, then it will move out of the window horizontally. So we set value to 500. Okay. Then for fill object, there is a percentage fill. So there are also two options. We can fill the object horizontally or vertically. Here we select vertical filling. Now here give the expression for that vertical filling. So our expression is S1, that as S1 moves, it will fill in the percentage, that is minimum filling at 0 and maximum filling 100%. So we can also choose the background color for the filling. Now here is black, we'll set blue. Here you set the blue color for the filling. Now click on OK. Now we'll test our program. Go to the runtime. Now as you move the slider, it will start filling in this way. Now from that slider we can also change the value of the any value, means current, voltage or resistance. For that we will use a meter. Now select meters from the wizard selections. There are the meters. Select panel meter, and here we put the panel meter. Now edit the options of the panel meter. Click on this. Give expression as S1, because as S1 moves, you have to change the value of the meter. Label it is a meter. We give as a voltage meter. Here there is a minimum range 0 and maximum range 60. We'll give as a 230, that is single phase volt. Major division 6, minor divisions 4. Text color, we select red, then click on OK. Now delete that object. Now when we run the program, as we move the slider, the value of the voltage will vary. We'll go to run it, go to the runtime. Now I'm moving the slider. You can see the voltage increases, but as you move the slider to the 100, its maximum level, the voltage will reach up to 80 or something. So we have to also change the maximum level of that slider, so we can give full voltage. So go to the slider menu, then slide range. Here 100, select it to the 230. Click on OK. Now go to the run. Now here you can see we can vary voltage from 0 to 230. In this way, by using slider, we can move the object, we can fill any object, and we can change the value of any object. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.